Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language courses. This week in class we've been talking a lot about pets and animals, and I've been quite struck by quite how many of my students have been put off dogs for life because of some early traumatic experience involving a dog. Maybe they were bitten by dogs when they were younger, or they were chased by dogs. Neighbours of theirs sometimes bought big scary fighting dogs or guard dogs that scared the hell out of them when they were little. A remarkable number of students have, at some point or another in their lives, had a bit of a run-in with a dog. If you have a run-in with an animal or with a person, you have an argument or a conflict with them, or you get into trouble with them. So having a run-in with a dog can involve a kind of scary or bad encounter with a dog. In the same way, you might have a run-in with the police. They might stop you for something. You might have a little bit of a confrontation or a disagreement. Maybe, if you're unlucky, you might have a run-in with your boss where you exchange some angry words. There's a frank exchange of opinions, and you go home wondering if you're going to get fired. You might also have a bit of a run-in with a colleague. Maybe there's a colleague who winds you up, who you really don't get on with. They do your head in, and one day tempers maybe flare and you get into a heated discussion in the staff room or during a staff meeting perhaps. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends, and in the comment section below we'd like to hear about times that you've had a run-in with somebody or something.